from Canada.
Where?
You're close. I'm vlog too.
Oh, yes.
I'm from.
So ngayon meron tayo bisita mula from Australia or Japanese or Canada. You enjoy to Diwata Paris Overload. I'm enjoy.
I am not from Canada.
Where?
You're close. I'm vlog too.
Oh, yes.
I'm from America.
Oh wow, I'm so good. I'm so
You're
happy.
close.
Yes, ay grabe. I like it. What is your
Anywhere-
favorite Diwata chicken? What is your favorite?
No, we only tried the pottage.
Oh wow, I like
really,
it.
really
So yummy.
Salami.
Ayun, grabe. I speak Tagalog, English.
Ako?
Yeah.
Bisaya, Jamaira.
Wow, I like it. Marunong siya magbisaya, Madam Diwata. Batiin mo si Madam Diwata, nanonood si Madam Diwata. Madam Diwata.
Hi, Madam Diwata. I was coming to see you here, but you're not here, unfortunately.
Oh yes.
Next time.
Oh wow, I'm so proud of you. Ay grabe. So how old are you? Tinatanong ni Madam Diwata.
Yes.
Ilang edad mo? How old are you?
Ako?
Yeah.
20 Bisaya, 24.
Ay, wow, ang galing. Saan kayo Bisaya?
Surigao.
Wow, Surigao. Grabe.
Surigao, but
Yeah,
part
yeah.
of Surigao.
Sure. For ilang oras na kayo naghintay rito?
No, we're not waiting a lot. Like we're here like arrived lang and then there's not a lot of people on the line, so it's
Wow, I like it. I like it. I love
You been
it.
here many times?
Yeah. Pabalik-balik kayo rito?
No, this is my first time because we're here in Manila for my like
Work.
Wow.
Yeah, so we
my
missed
first
Surigao.
Oh, shout out sa inyong lugar. Shout out. Your province.
Shout out Surigao! I miss you!
Yes. Wow.
Santa Fe!
My sister, my mother, my father, my cousin. Shout out.
Hello, family!
okay.
Okay, we're here with, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Tito Boy Abandon. My name is talagang I'm so happy to Diwata. My friend Diwata. So talaga naman so happy rito dahil masaya. Talaga nag-enjoy kayo.
Yes.
So nag-enjoy kami dito sa Diwata Paris Overload para lang hanapin yung mga news o interviews for Diwata.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Salamat.
Okay.